Tell me what this is. Tell me what you did here.
Well, I drew horse. I drew horse.
Yeah, and you did a count by numbers, didn't you?
Yeah, even my teacher who wrote a story about wrote me a story. Well, my class is story. The class the story.
Mom, my
car!
Oh, my car keeps the Nicholas.
Oh, fun. Tell me about this.
Well, I just put some rhymes together.
Tell me what those rhymes are.
Well, cat, hat, dog, frog, can, fan, can, pen, pig, whip, car, star.
Nice. You had a good time at block class today?
Yeah.